be showing you how to make an alarm system. You'll be needing one door, one observer, 2 repeaters, at least a stack of building blocks, at least 13 redstone dust, and at least 9 bells. Here is how you make it. And here I'm just adding a redstone clock with the repeaters just on 2 ticks. And as you can see with these bells, you don't put them beside the redstone dust, you put them on the block that they're on. That they will work. And now if you just open the door, it works. I can't get you guys to listen to this, but it's very obnoxiously loud, so you would know that someone's breaking into your home. The way to turn it off is you just break the redstone dust there and then replace it. That is all for me today, everybody. Goodbye.